What if ancient civilizations were far more advanced than we are told? What if pots of human knowledge didn't slowly evolve forward, but were lost, forgotten, or erased over time? Throughout history, archaeologists have uncovered objects and structures that simply don't fit the official timeline. Technologies that appear thousands of years before they should exist. Materials that outperform modern equivalents. Precision that seems impossible without advanced tools. Today, we explore ancient technologies that modern science still struggles to fully explain. Not myths, not fantasy, but real discoveries that continue to raise uncomfortable questions about our past. One of the most famous examples is the Antikythera Mechanism, discovered in a Greek shipwreck from around 100 BCE. This corroded bronze object was once dismissed as scrap metal. But X-ray scans revealed something extraordinary inside. A complex system of interlocking gears capable of predicting solar eclipses, lunar cycles, and planetary movements. Many scientists now refer to it as the world's first analog computer. The level of mathematical and mechanical knowledge required to build it shouldn't have existed for another 1,500 years. Even more disturbing is the fact that no similar device appears again in history for over a millennium. This raises a troubling question. If the Greeks could build this, what else did they know, and why was that knowledge lost? Another controversial artifact is the Baghdad Battery, found in modern-day Iraq and dated to roughly 2,000 years ago. This object consists of a clay jar, a copper cylinder, and an iron rod. When filled with an acidic liquid like vinegar, it produces a small electrical charge. Some researchers believe it may have been used for electroplating, possibly to coat jewelry with precious metals. Skeptics argue it was merely a storage container, but experiments have shown it can generate electricity. If this interpretation is correct, it suggests ancient civilizations understood electrical principles long before they were discovered in modern science. High in the Andes Mountains lies Puma Punku, a site that continues to puzzle engineers and archaeologists alike. Massive stone blocks weighing up to 130 tons were cut with astonishing precision, featuring perfectly straight lines, right angles, and interlocking shapes. These stones were quarried miles away and transported without wheels, iron tools, or beasts of burden. Even today, replicating this level of stonework would require advanced machinery. How did an ancient civilization accomplish this with what we believe were primitive tools? And why has no definitive explanation ever been agreed upon? Roman concrete presents another mystery. Structures like the Pantheon and ancient harbors have survived nearly 2,000 years, enduring earthquakes, salt water, and erosion. Modern concrete, by contrast, often degrades within decades. Scientists recently discovered that Roman concrete contains volcanic ash that creates chemical reactions, strengthening the material over time. Incredibly, this formula was lost after the fall of the Roman Empire and only partially rediscovered in recent years. How did ancient builders develop a material more durable than our own and then forget how to make it? Then there is the Piri Reis map, created in 1513 by an Ottoman admiral. The map depicts coastlines of South America and Africa with remarkable accuracy, including what appears to be Antarctica, shown ice-free. This is particularly strange because Antarctica was not officially discovered for another 300 years, and modern science says it has been ice-covered for thousands of years. Piri Reis himself claimed he copied the map from much older sources. If true, This implies the existence of ancient maps created by a civilization capable of advanced global surveying across the world. We also find ancient structures that seem to defy engineering logic. From the Great Pyramid's precise alignment with true north to massive monolithic stones at Baalbek, weighing over 800 tons. These constructions raise serious questions. How were they lifted, moved, and placed with such accuracy? Why do similar architectural techniques appear across different continents with no clear connection? And why does modern engineering still struggle to fully explain them? Each of these discoveries on its own is strange. Together, they suggest a far more complex picture of ancient history than we are usually taught. Perhaps human knowledge is not a straight line of progress, but a cycle built, lost, and rebuilt over thousands of years. If advanced knowledge could disappear once, could it happen again? And how much of our own civilization would survive if history reset itself? These ancient technologies don't just challenge our understanding of the past, they force us to question the fragility of knowledge itself.